So one of the most common questions I have been asked about the Avata is, does it have geofencing? And the answer is yes. As long as it has this DJI logo on the outside of it, it's going to have geofencing. But when you do have to unlock, can you? And how do you do it? So today we're going to be doing just that. I'm actually parked across the way from the airport, and I'm not going to be flying. I'm going to be keeping the drone in the car, but I'm just going to show you that unlocks are possible. Let's get started. So just across the street there is the Brooksville Regional Airport. That's the entranceway. The runway is actually running parallel to this road I'm in front of. This is the Springhill Drive. And again, Brooksville Regional Airport there. I'm not going to be taking off or even arming. I'm just going to show you that if I needed to authorize in a zero grid, that I could actually do it. All right, let's get into that process now. Alrighty, so how do we unlock the DJI Avata in a geozone location? The first thing you need to do is connect your goggles to your phone, whether you're using iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter. USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to lightning cable, or use that included adapter that came in the box. This is a pain in the ass. I'm not gonna even sugarcoat it. I fucking hate geo locks, but I understand why they have them. There are idiots out there that would totally try to fly near an airport. I'm not gonna do that. I'm in my vehicle, but I'm just gonna show you what happens here. So let me go ahead and start screen recording on my phone. All right, so right now Avata's connected, RC's on, goggles are connected. I should be able to see everything in here, and yeah, I can, and I'll just go ahead and start recording for the hell of it. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to arm. I'm gonna go to fly, and I'm gonna try to arm. And as soon as I try to arm, it's going to prompt me to unlock. So the first thing I want to do is just click on unlock. And now it should open up a window in which I'll have to enter my phone number and get a code. And that's exactly what I'll do. So I'm just going to enter in my phone number. Should enter in my brother's phone number so everybody calls him. And then I'm just going to hit request. Now it sent me a verification code. I'll paste that verification code, and then I'm just going to agree to all the things that are necessary. And just like that, we were able to unlock. And if I didn't know any better, I should be able to arm this. Let me just go ahead and tap away this authorization now. Yep. And I can go ahead and arm it. Now it's telling me my aircraft processor is actually overheated. So let me try to get some air on that. It is hot in this car, so not shocking. I'm pretty sure the aircraft literally just powered down on me while I was doing this because it got so hot in here. That's an absolute first. So just know there is not a fan in the freaking Avata. Wow. It unlocked, but I'll be damned if I can fly it right now. So I wonder if it's gonna work since I already unlocked. Let me go ahead and do this. So do I have any vision? Yeah, I do. All right, let's just see. It armed. All right, so as you can see, I'm not seeing anything in here. It remembers that I unlocked previously through the app, so that works. However, a little bit concerning that it overheated like that, but again, thermodynamics are something you just cannot escape, which really sucks. All right, let me turn this off and finish my closing thoughts on this whole geo unlock shit. All right, so closing thoughts. Having to unlock an FPV drone that is not going to typically be flying higher than 15 feet really absolutely just sucks. I'm just gonna say it, it absolutely sucks. Is this something that everybody is going to have to experience? No, but this is one of the biggest reasons why you probably won't find these on like a set of a production, even though it has amazing fail-safes and it is incredible with range. It's just, the problem is a lot of times when you have to get up and go and just get a shot, that's what you have to do. Now you can pre-plan your missions and load unlocks into your app if you wanted to do that in advance. Now I went ahead and did the text message method, which did end up working after I rebooted it for a second time because it overheated. So if you're in a hot climate, like obviously Florida is super extreme, and this sits for too long, just know it is going to shut itself the down. All right. Anyways, I hope you now understand how to unlock geo zones. That was very frustrating. Hopefully that doesn't come up too often, but you know, that's the nature of the beast when you are rocking DJI. And again, this is one of the reasons why, again, if you build a Cinewhoop, that is something that you won't essentially have to experience. And I guess that's one of the most major downsides. And honestly, a huge oversight on my part when I was talking about my top 5 things that I didn't like about this. This should have been at like number fucking 1 was geofencing. Son of a bitch. So I'm sorry guys that I did not mention that in that freaking video. I just didn't encounter it during the experience, but now I did, and now it's, you know, it's fine once it's unlocked. It's fine once it's unlocked, but it's a bitch to have to do that. It's like you're so close and you just want to get laid, but then you gotta put the rubber on. You gotta be safe.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I went to put it